I'm Lauren Cunningham, fashion and beauty editor here at The Independent, and this is what landed on my desk this week. Softer, stronger skin. For anyone who doesn't know Byoma, it's one of our favourite bargain beauty brands here at The Independent. It's a deodorant, but it's gone everywhere and it smells like tea tree oil. That's no at the end of the day if it works or not. It smells like the deodorant. If you're a fan of Olaplex and their bond building technology, the brand have now brought out a brow bond building serum, Pure Source Collagen Gummies, and the Pure Source Collagen Serum. It tastes nice. From Seahorse Plankton. Overnight Recovery Body Mask. This is I actually need. Oh, it's really hydrating. Every time we go to do this video, the night before I'm like, oh, I should do my nails. I never do, so maybe I should just stick them on my desk before. This is nice. Sam Chapman and Beauty Pie. A lip and cheek tint, a liquid matte lipstick. She's a bit dark. Okay, too dark for me. But nice, very dewy. A proper red. Sheen Machine Eye Paint. Wow, that's pigmented. I just did an explainer on Ayurvedic beauty. It's like an ancient Indian practice, and it's all about, instead of just looking at your skin and being like, you need X, Y, Z, they'll be like, how often do you sleep? What do you weigh? Do you get angry easily? And then they give you beauty ingredients dependent on your character. And this brand is one of the top ones. I think it's topped in Harrods and things like that. The new Soothing Water Cream. Did you see that drop? It was like water. But my one hand is gonna be so silky smooth after this. Crusty and old, nice and new. An iconic London bundle. Oh, hope you love your bronzing drops and your Prep Sets Tan Mousse. Instant Sunshine bronzing drops, tanning mousse. Oh, that's really sweet. I love a little personalised gift. And you can shop Iconic London at Look Fantastic now. That was everything that landed on my desk this week. I'm probably most excited to try the new Beauty Pie bits or the Iconic London Tan. But you can head to IndyBest to read all of our reviews now.